All right, so I am adjusting my valves on a 2014 R-Spec Yamaha Bolt. Now online, there's not much information on it, and the two YouTube videos that are available, when you get to the stage of actually checking it with your feeler gauges, both the guys that made those videos didn't really describe this very well. It was very confusing. And I even went on Facebook and some people were wondering if I could figure this out, and I did. So the timing marks, or not the timing marks, the top dead center marks. So here you're gonna see the H and that line right after the H for your front, okay? For the front piston. You just wanna line it up with that groove. It's not a problem. You put it in top dead center. And then you're going to come here, okay? This is the exhaust side. The other guy said that he used the measurements for the intake side on the exhaust side, which would mess you right up. So that's a mistake right there on that video. So this is the exhaust side. This is the intake side, okay? Don't mess that up because you'll wreck your engine. Now, you're gonna put your feeler gauge right in here. And the tolerances on that are over here. Okay, we'll look them up. And they're right there. So your exhaust is between 22 mil and 26 mil. And the intake is 0.8 mil and 0.12 millimeter. Okay, so make sure that the 20 mil measurement is here and your 8 to 12 here. Okay, don't mess that up because that messed me up on one of the videos. I was following the guy word for word, and that's not good. You gotta figure it out. So it's the same here on the rear. So exhaust here, okay, intake here. And the way you can tell that is you just look here where your pipes, what side the pipe's on, and that's your exhaust side, okay? And then when you are ready to do the rear piston, you come down here and you put it to the single dash, okay? That single dash right there. Now, it says on the manual that as well, I'll show you. Okay, come here. So it's a single dash right there. Now, here's where I got a little confused. So, if you're rotating the crankshaft and you come here and you lift up on this right here and you don't have slack and it's tight, you just have to rotate the crankshaft another 360 degrees back to that same marker, and then this will become loose and you can do your measurement. Now, fortunately for me, after 21,000 kilometers of riding this bike, these are bang on spec. So I'll just have to put the tank and everything back together, and Bob's your uncle. So hope that clarifies for another guy down the road going through this project, because I spent a few hours trying to figure out why I was tight here. Like I understood the markings, but I was like, why am I so tight here? Well, if you're tight here or here, just rotate the crankshaft 360 degrees back to that same mark, and then it won't be tight. See, like this side is tight now, okay? Like super tight. If I rotate that 360 degrees to the mark after the H on here, this will become loose. So yeah, I hope that clarifies. If not, leave a comment in the section below and I'll try to answer it the best I can. And yeah, keep the shiny side up.